this video, we will learn how to create a stunning GIF animation like this in Photoshop. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added. Let me get this transparent car image inside the document. Next, let me make a 4 to 5 duplicate copy of the car image. To duplicate, right-click on the car image and click Duplicate Layer. Repeat the process. Let's change each of the car image layer color different from each other. Click Image option in the top menu bar and select Hue Saturation under Adjustments, and next, in the Hue Saturation window, edit Hue, Saturation and Lightness to suit the color you like. Repeat the process until you change all the car layer color you prefer. Next, click this icon and create a new transparent layer, and next select Color here and fill transparent layer with a solid background color to complement each car image layer. Repeat the process. Next, arrange each car image just above each solid background color and merge them as shown here. Repeat the process. Now let's look at the process of animating the layers into a GIF animation. Select Windows in the top menu bar and next select Timeline option. Next, click Tab Group menu icon and next select Make Frames from Layers. You can see each layer is being shown as a frame in the Timeline tab. You can animate the layers without any delay, or you can delay animating each frame by selecting the time in seconds, or you can also add your own time by selecting Other and typing your own seconds. In the timeline, select First Frame and here in the Layers panel, click Eye icon and make the layer visible and close the other layer's visibility. Similarly, the second frame and repeat it for all the frames. Let's add text layer to make it more appealing. And make sure if the text layer is visible on all the frames. Let's save the GIF animation on the computer. Click File option in top menu bar and next click Save from Web. See if GIF format is selected. Click the play button to preview the animation. It looks absolutely stunning. And click Save button and we are done. Open it in any browser to view the animation. You can see the animation is the way we created it. With this, we come to the end of this video tutorial. Please like, comment and share the video if it was helpful, and subscribe to my channel to get updates when new content is added. Thank you.